Hello guys, Kiran Classes welcomes you. In the previous video, we saw kinds of sentences. We saw that there are four kinds of sentences. First one is assertive sentence or statements. Second is interrogative sentences or questions. Third one is imperative sentences or commands. And the last one, that is exclamations. So in the last time we saw assertive sentences in detail. So today we are going to see what is meant by interrogative sentences. So let's start. Friends, interrogative sentences are also known as questions. So let us see what is meant by the interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called as an interrogative sentence. All interrogative sentences end in a question mark. So every interrogative sentence ends in a question mark. So let's see two examples. When is your birthday? And second one is, have you finished your homework? Like this. So you can see that every question is ending in a question mark. So from these two examples, we come to know that there are two kinds of interrogative sentences. Now first one is WH question. A question that starts with WH words is known as a question, a WH question. So while answering these questions, we have to give some information. So that means in this way we can frame WH questions. So before going to learn which WH words should we use, we are going to see which are the WH words. Here we have WH words: what, who, whom, whose, why, when, where, which, how much, and how many, and how much, etc. So these WH words are used while framing WH questions. So this is the structure of questions, WH questions. First we have to use a WH word, then helping verb, after that subject means the door of the action, then main verb plus object is the remaining part of the sentence, and at last question mark. So here we have two examples. When did you come from Mumbai? Here when is WH word, did helping verb, you is subject, come is main verb, from Mumbai is object, and don't forget to give question mark. Okay? So in the second sentence, what does she read in the library? What does she read in the library? In this sentence, what is WH word? Does is helping verb. She is the subject who is reading something in the library. Read is main verb here, that is base form of the verb. In the library is object, and at last this question mark. So in this way we frame WH questions. So let's see second type of interrogative questions, and that is verbal question. It is also known as yes/no question. A question that starts with an auxiliary or helping verb is known as verbal question. Verbal questions are answered with yes or no, and therefore these questions are also known as yes/no questions. So here are these are some auxiliary verbs. For example, am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, shall, will, and have, has, had. You can start these questions with such auxiliary verbs. So let us see the structure of this question. First of all, this question begins with helping verb, then subject, then main verb. After that there is object or remaining part of the sentence, and at last this question, as it is question, it ends with a question mark. Let's see some examples. Does she like to read storybooks? And second one is, have you joined Kiran classes? Here, have is helping verb, you is subject, join is the main verb, and Kiran class is object. After that, this is question, it ends with question mark. So friends, if you have understood what is meant by interrogative questions, please watch this video, like it, share it with your friends, and get ready for the next exercise.